Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about hashtags. This question from one of my amazing students. So what are hashtags and also the importance? Why should we use hashtags on social media? Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon and also like this video. All right, now let's talk about hashtag. First of all, if you just look at the definition from dictionary or maybe like Wikipedia, what is a hashtag? It's a word or phrase preceded by the hash sign, so that the pound sign. So that's what a hashtag is. But the second thing is the importance. Why are hashtags important? What's the use? And if you look at Wikipedia, they say helps other users easily find messages with specific theme and content. That's why hashtags are important. Now, if I have to explain hashtags, what I would say is there are two sort of big reasons why hashtags are important. Number one, it helps you categorize your content that you post on social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, even like Facebook. And then number two is it also helps you find content based on different themes, different events, different movements. You can find content by using different hashtags, by searching for different hashtags. Now, let's look at a couple of examples. So what I'm going to do is now I am going to go to my Twitter, because Twitter, the two places where I find hashtags to be very effective, Twitter and Instagram. So here I am on my Twitter account, and I want to show you something. So just, half an hour ago, actually an hour ago, so I posted a link of my YouTube video. So this video talks about how to target small business owners on Facebook ads, right? But look at the hashtags that I'm using: Facebook, ads, SMM, which is social media marketing, and then hashtag social media. And then another tweet that I sent, how to target homeowners on Facebook. So that's a piece of content I'm putting on my Twitter account, right, or my Twitter. And the hashtags I'm using is hashtag social media, ads, Facebook ads. Now, first of all, I'm using hashtag. My content is about those hashtags. So it is about social media, it is about ads, it is about Facebook ads. So I'm using those hashtags to categorize my content. Now I can also go just click on that hashtag. When you click on that hashtag, basically what happens is now this platform, Twitter, is going to show you every single tweet based on some of these criteria. So right now I'm looking at the top tweets. I can look at the latest tweets. So its platform is showing me content from other people who have used the same hashtag. So that's very powerful. Imagine if you're looking for some DIY tips, home decoration tips. Maybe you're looking for some like vegan recipes. Maybe you want to cook something at home and you're looking for something. Maybe you're looking for social media ideas. So hashtags help you find content based on your needs. So if I was to search for, let's say I'm looking for home decor tips, let's see what comes up. Look at this. So here are different tips, different articles, and obviously people are sharing their brands and their websites and their blogs, a lot of different stuff. So these are the two sort of big reasons why hashtags are super important. Number one, it helps you categorize your content. If you've done your categorization right, on the other hand, it also helps you and other people find content, because people use hashtags a lot to find other content. And also, hashtags are super relevant when there are different events happening, for example, and different movements happening. People use those hashtags. For example, right now in the United States, there's a big movement going on, Black Lives Matter right here. So there's a big movement going on about Black lives, and that's a hashtag that's being used by a lot of people. So I can just go look at that hashtag and really stay up to date on what's going on, what's happening in the world that's relevant to that hashtag, right? And right now, the NBA or the sporting events are kind of closed. But let's say if there were sporting events happening, I could look at, let's say, hashtag NBA. So that's like baseball, National Baseball Association. So I could look at that hashtag and then keep up with what's going on in the different supporting events. I can also do, let's say I'm a big fan of Dallas Cowboys, so I can look at hashtag Cowboys and then keep up with what's happening, what are other people saying about my team. So these are different ways to kind of use hashtags. So again, number one, you can categorize your content, and number two, you can use hashtags to find content that's relevant to you. And same thing, this was on Twitter. So if I go to my Instagram, here's my Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me, make sure you do follow me on Instagram at alimirza2k. When I post different type of content, I use these hashtags right here. So it categorizes my content. It puts my content inside those hashtags. For example, I'm using hashtag Dallas marketing, right? So I live in Dallas and I want to be among people. I want to get found when people in Dallas are using that hashtag or searching for that hashtag. So if you go inside that hashtag Dallas marketing, a lot of people from my area, they may be able to find my content. I haven't posted in recently, so my content might be like way down. But that's why these are some of the recent posts. But that's why the importance of hashtags. So again, to kind of like wrap it up, hashtags help you categorize your content when you post it on your social media platforms. And number two, hashtags also help you find content, based on what you search. And if you kind of step back, if you do your categorization right, hashtags also help you find people, help you find users, leads, and prospects for your business. Because when you're using social media, if you step back and create the right strategy and you figure out what hashtag your ideal audience, your target audience is using and searching for, and then you start using those hashtags to categorize your content, guess what? Then your target audience will be able to find your content and connect with you and potentially do business with you. If you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments. Thank you so much for submitting this question. Before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye for now.